Today I'll be showing you how to install an invisible zipper. Here I've got an invisible zipper that I picked up from Walmart. Any invisible zipper will do. However, the Coats & Clark brand that I get from Walmart does include a very handy instruction sheet on the inside that is very helpful. I will include a still picture of those instructions at the end of this video for your reference. So just open the zipper out and unzip it all the way. You're going to need a hot iron, and I personally like to use a little bit of steam to fully lay that hidden zipper flat. You're basically ironing out a fold in the zipper that will then help it to become invisible once installed. So once you have this step done, you can pin the zipper to your fabric. You want to pin the right side of the zipper to the right side of the fabric. Here, I'm just laying mine on with no pins and eyeballing the seam allowance, but that's because it's just for a pillow cover that probably won't be seen anyway, and I'm a little bit lazy. So if this zipper is going into a garment, then definitely I suggest take your time and pin it and measure properly where the zipper should be placed within the seam allowance. Place the work under the presser foot with the zipper foot attached. The edge of the foot should rest right against the teeth of the zipper, and those teeth will feed into a little groove in the zipper foot. Stitch all the way until the end of the zipper tape until your foot hits the edge of the zipper stop, or until you reach the end of where you want your zipper. It's very easy to shorten the zipper if it is longer than your pattern calls for. That's usually what I like to do. It just makes it easier. I don't have to worry about having to get that last little bit of the zipper tape stitched down. Just makes it easier. If you are using the exact size zipper that you need and you won't be shortening it, what you want to do is once you reach that zipper stop, you pull the work off the machine, you zip up the zipper, and then you sew the rest of the distance from where you stopped until the end of the zipper tape. So here, I find it easier to leave the zipper closed and place the other side of the fabric, right side to right side, pinning the zipper into place. Once it's sufficiently pinned, I unzip and continue sewing the other side in the same manner as I sewed the first, making sure to properly line up starting and stopping positions and your seam allowance. So now that you've got your zipper installed, close the zipper all the way and lay the fabric right side to right side. Gently move the excess zipper tape out of the way and begin your stitching right up next to where you stopped it on the zipper, taking note again of the seam allowance. If the top of your zipper ends at the top of a garment, you're going to just gently guide that excess tape that's at the top of the zipper top stop into either the hem or like the top seam allowance. And that's it. There you have a simple installation of an invisible zipper.